Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. And these are going to be tools that are either on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. First up, we are looking at a Titan product. This is part number 15210. This is a 3-piece socket adapter set, impact grade. And it is $16.71 right now, down from $18.29. It has 4 stars at 76 ratings. So I actually have this set from Clutch, and I wasn't expecting much from them, but I tell you what, I absolutely love these. They're quick change, so it's very rare to actually find these. They're impact grade, and it has the pull tab for the lock. So in order to release your socket, you pull it, and then you can remove the socket. I actually prefer these over your just standard press-on ball detent. So these have the ball detent, but they're locking. So it's nice when I use my impact driver with sockets, whether that be chrome or impact grade, and they work very well, and it's just a lot easier to switch sockets. And I like the fact that I know that the socket won't come flying off. And they've actually held up very well. I find these very handy, and this one is actually from Titan. And as far as I can tell, they're the exact same thing. But these ones are $16.71 right now. Northern Tool does have them for $23 from the Clutch brand. So this is definitely a better deal through Titan if they are indeed the same. So, I mean, just looking at the images, like, it has the same base ring, and I mean, everything looks the same. So I'm about 95% positive that they're the same 3-piece set, but I could be wrong. So I figured I'd at least give them a mention, see if any of you guys have used these, your thoughts on them. And then if you don't have them and you're looking for a pretty affordable set, quick change socket adapters for your impact driver, this is definitely one that I suggest. Next up is a Capri Tools hammer set. This is a 5-piece set, and these hammers are made in the USA. You can buy these hammers all individually. As you can see over here, they have the pricing for all of them. But this is a good price for all 5 hammers. So as you can tell, basically the cheapest that you're paying is basically $30. And then it goes up from there. $30, $30, $40, $37, and $54. Buying this 5-piece set at $150, that's actually $30 per hammer. So I think that's a great deal, especially for a USA made 5-piece set. So definitely want to consider. I'll just kind of run through some of the images so you guys can see them. Polyurethane casing. This is going to be good for, knocking out pistons or installing pistons or knocking out pistons. It is a steel core that runs all the way through the center of the handle, and they do come with a lifetime warranty as well. And there's just some of them that are included in the set: the 8 ounce, 18 ounce, 22, 26, and 32. And then they also have other sets available as well. But I figured I'd give this one a mention just in case you guys are looking for a good set of dead blow hammers. This is definitely one I would consider. This has 5 stars at 2 ratings, so not very many. But next up, I have found another Sunex set that I may have found a duplicate of if you guys are interested. So this is the Sunex 3580. This is the 3H drive master impact socket set. It's an 80-piece set. It has both metric and SAE, deep and shallow. Then you have your universal sockets, your E-Torx and Torx, and then you get a few extensions and a universal joint as well. So a pretty complete set, especially for 3H drive. And this has 5 stars at 4,724 ratings. If you guys know Sunex is one of the best affordable, not even affordable, just one of the best impact sockets you can get for the money. Like, they make some fantastic socket sets, and usually they are priced very well. This one is down from $215 to $172, and they are chrome ollie. Everything you get. If you'd like to pause and take a look at that. And here's just a little bit more information on it. As far as extensions, you get a 3, 5, 10, and 15-inch extension. But then I also have here the just regular Amazon Basics, the non-Denali. I think Denali is just another Amazon brand. I don't know if it's like their top line or what. But this one's even cheaper. What was that Denali set? 130 almost. This one's 116, down from 123. So you're getting chrome ollie, the exact same sockets that you were getting in the Sunex set. Now, granted, Sunex is very well known, and if you look at these sockets over here, these 3 on the left or 4 on the left that have the necked down portion, you can see they're actually necked down. Whereas when you're looking at the Amazon one, you can kind of see they're just kind of angled down to a point. So a little bit different design there. I'm 98% positive they come from the same factory. And then the universal sockets, you're getting like this weird ribbed ring around the outside instead of just a smooth ring that holds the universal socket together. So very minor differences, but exact same socket sizes and extensions and everything. It's all set up the exact same as well. So you can save some money by going this route, but one thing to keep in mind, for one, Sunex is highly rated and trusted by thousands of people. Amazon Basics, it's just Amazon getting with these companies and working out their own deals to sell the same tools at, obviously Amazon sells is a massive company, so they can get things for ridiculous prices. So you can save a little bit of money going this route, but Sunex, as far as warranty, may be the better option there. If you're not worried about warranty, keep in mind that the Amazon Basics is just a 1-year warranty. And that goes for basically all of their products. If you go to, so it's, like I said, ADP set, 3H drive, all the same stuff. They are chromoly, same information there. Before I show you that, I'll kind of show you this image so you guys can see everything that's included. Up here where you can't see is just the E5 through E16 e-Torx. And I wanted to check warranty for you guys, and it didn't, normally you'll see warranty in here, and I wasn't really seeing anything as far as warranty. And then you come down here, you do have a PDF, and here you can see Amazon Basics products, commercial, furniture, all of these products are covered with a 1-year warranty, and that's it. The product may be manufactured by a third party not affiliated with Amazon. So that is just something to be aware of if you believe you will be using the warranty. I definitely think you should stick with the Sunex or a brand that you know you can easily warranty. So it is quite a bit of savings though. It's roughly $60 in savings. So that is a big thing. So if you're going to be using these sockets all the time, probably just go Sunex. You're better off, Sunex is well known and trusted, and a fairly easy warranty for a majority of the time. Whereas Amazon, if you're just a DIYer, weekend warrior, or just, maybe getting into the field, well, there's so many other brands out there now that really you have a lot of options. So I just wanted to show this because it was quite a bit of savings, but something to keep in mind is just that the warranty is only 1 year for these. So if you're going to use and abuse these, make sure you do it in the first year. After that, I suggest this for weekend warriors and DIYers because this is a great price for that size of set. And then last up here, we're looking at the Capri Tools ratchets. And this is the true 72 tooth. It's a 5-degree arc swing with the 72 tooth mechanism. It's a 3-piece set, and they are all flex head. So you get 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. Here you can see the model number. It is $93.74 right now, down from $100. So a little bit of savings there. It's got 4.5 stars at 1,067 ratings, and you can buy them individually. Here you can see the length on them. And I tell you what, I like that goat. I like that emblem. But unfortunately, I think Capri is actually changing and getting away from that and just going with a C in a square. Because if you guys are not aware, these have been out for a while, and they are very solid ratchets. They're your more common 72 tooth design, but they are very solid ratchets, and I know a lot of people who are extremely happy with these ratchets, especially for the price. But something to keep in mind, right now they do have their new ratchets that they just released not too long ago. I have these, and I am very impressed with them. I like the redesign. They're nice and slim. They're compact. They're a little bit longer than your standard ratchet. They come in this blow molded case. They have a nice, comfortable, ergonomic handle. I mean, I've been very pleased with them in the short time that I've had them, but we're going to be putting them to use over the next couple of months. I do have a review on this tool, so if you guys haven't checked out that video, go ahead and do so, but I'll have a updated video coming here soon within a month or two after I've used these quite a bit, so I can, give you more of my thoughts on them. But this is another good option, and this is a 90 tooth design, but they do not have the flex heads as of yet. But when looking at their website, you will actually see an image similar to this, where they have an extra long ratchet, and I believe it might be a flex head. So I think we're going to be seeing flex heads coming, as well as extra long ratchets. So something to keep in mind, but I think this is a good deal as well. But right now they do have their original design on sale for a little bit cheaper. Plus these are flex heads. You're not getting the comfort grip, but you are getting flex heads, and they are 72 tooth, not 90. But I think for that price, it's a good deal. So let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments if you guys have used these, or maybe you've already bought the new version. But other than that, that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoy this type of content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave your thoughts down below in the comments, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.